I'm in Ohio. Welcome to the Buckeye State. I'm on the Fantasy Tour 2020, recording for my other channel on YouTube, Dre's World. If you don't know about that, go check it out. Today I'm meeting up with some friends, and it should be a great day of flying. Welcome, friends. I'm at the Hoover Dam in Worthington, Westerville. Ohio. We're in Columbus, Ohio. We, as in these people, having a little world's greatest kiting meetup today. It's gonna be good. Well, conditions are not great today. They've closed off most of the dam, all the good flying spaces. There's a really nice disc golf course here, but we can't take up. It's a busy day because it's perfect outside. But the weather is actually perfect, and it's November like 8th. But I'm walking up here through the backwoods of the disc golf course to see if there's any good flying spots for us. Not having good luck. We're in the middle, the very edge of a disc golf course, a very busy one. Right in everybody's way. Well, right down there is where we wanted to go. It's blocked off. Kind of moves around with them, I think. Probably. Well, we're all hanging out here at this beautiful Hoover Dam. My friend Dustin brought his kite out. When did you order that?
I think I was in middle school, out of a catalog.
Yeah. Check this out. Into the wind. I like these old kites. I think they're cool.
And then just came with these. This is the.
Yep. It's a great day at the park. Weather is perfect. I think I've said that 10 times. It's just very unusual for this time of year in this part of the country. Used to seeing these colors associated with sweater weather. Well, I'm in shorts and my Florida gear today. Loving this. Seeing some old family and friends. Kite friends from Michigan came all the way down here to Columbus to enjoy the beautiful views of Hoover Dam. Right over here by the Hoover Dam is this marina. I've never seen it without any boats. I think usually in the summertime it's used for like day boating, and they have some rentals out here. But this is a really cool part of Columbus. This northeast part of the city is really wooded, as you can tell. The drive in here is beautiful. You see off here in the distance the trees are just changing, almost done changing. It's always great too to have old friends come out and visit, and we have some friends, some kiting friends came all the way from Michigan down here in northern Ohio for this meetup today. It's a lot of fun. Friends, it's been a great day. Successful day of flying, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, of course. Every day is a successful day flying.
Oh, you think I flew? You think I flew?
Well, friends, if you like what you're seeing here, you like these little kiting adventures all over the place, you like watching Brett fly, Simon sit in his chair, then hit like, hit subscribe.
And comment.
Yeah, make
Don't
a comment.
forget to comment.
Hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of these adventures
It's right down
ever
there.
again.
It's right down there. Do it.
Happy flying, friends. I'm just leaving the parking lot, and I wanted to tell you one last thing. If you get a chance to fly a kite, do it. Buy a cheap kite, buy an expensive kite, try it out. But you cannot frown with a kite in your hand. Nobody out there today was frowning with these kites, even around them. It's impossible. Try it. Just want to encourage you, friends. I hope you're having a great day, a great week. I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Happy flying.
So long.